Welcome to the world of Lotus-inspired self-cleaning surfaces. Scientists have been fascinated with lotus leaves for ages because of their ability to remain spotlessly clean despite their squalid surroundings. This natural wonder has served as a groundbreaking model for the development of self-cleaning technology. The secret lies in the unique microstructure of lotus leaves, which has coating that is bumpy and waxy. These microstructures cause the water falling on the leaf surfaces to coalesce into tight spherical droplets rather than spreading out. And the magic is that these droplets wash the surfaces of the leaf as they form, and then they roll off the leaf, taking the dirt and debris with them, leaving the leaf spotlessly clean. This unrivaled optimization of the leaf surface has evolved naturally to maximize sunlight exposure and keep lotus leaves clean for maximum photosynthesis. Inspired by this phenomenon, scientists and engineers have replicated the microstructure of lotus leaves to create superhydrophobic and self-cleaning surfaces for various applications. Longer-lasting clean windows, as the rainwater easily removes dirt and grime, and solar panels operating at their best with little upkeep are developments that not only lessen the need for regular cleaning, but also improve the efficiency and longevity of surfaces in a variety of settings. If you're still with us, we would really appreciate a subscribe and a shout out in the comments. And do continue watching for more on how self-cleaning technology has touched our lives. This technology extends beyond common surfaces. In medical settings, self-cleaning coatings keep equipment sterile, reducing infection risks. Hydrophobic layers on smartphone screens repel oils and fingerprints, keeping them clear. Coatings that resist environmental pollutants help infrastructure and buildings last longer and require fewer maintenance cycles. By saving water, reducing chemical use, and lowering maintenance costs, these technologies promote efficiency and environmental sustainability, transforming daily life and paving the way for eco-friendly innovations. The future holds even more promise. Researchers are exploring new materials inspired by other natural phenomena, from insect-inspired adhesives to shark skin drag reduction. Biomimicry continues to unveil creative solutions across various industries. Did you enjoy discovering the marvel of Lotus-inspired technology? Share your thoughts below and let us know which natural wonder you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into nature's innovative solutions.